Hello and welcome. Your car is acting up. The check engine light is constantly flashing. Fixing it might seem daunting. And above all, if you don't know where to start, freeze frame data is a valuable starting point. So, what exactly is freeze frame data? Picture it as a snapshot captured by your vehicle's onboard computer at the precise moment a diagnostic trouble code, or DTC, is stored. If there's more than one DTC set, freeze frame data records the parameters associated with the highest priority code, the one triggering the MIL. This snapshot provides the vehicle conditions when the malfunction occurred, including vehicle speed, engine RPM, coolant temperature, and throttle position. It's like a photograph of a crime scene when investigating a problem. Why is freeze frame data valuable? Some problems that only occur under specific circumstances. For instance, the mass airflow sensor might malfunction under heavy load or high speed, which may not be found under normal driving. By reviewing the freeze frame data, you'll be able to recreate the operating conditions that set the fault code, making the likelihood of finding and identifying the component or system causing the fault. Freeze frame data becomes especially potent during repairs when compared with live data. Analyzing both sets of information helps gain a comprehensive look at the vehicle's condition before and after the fault, making it easy to determine abnormal values in a list of parameters. Was the engine overheating? Was the vehicle moving at high speeds? All this data can be accessed using the OBD2 scan tool. After a repair, the freeze frame data plays another important role for verifying the repairs. You can drive your car within the parameters that set the fault, as recorded in the freeze frame data, to ensure the fault does not return. In essence, freeze frame data serves as a diagnostic tool to validate both the diagnosis and the effectiveness of the repair. So, before diving into the repair job, always check the freeze frame data. It's a time-saving step that can lead you straight to the heart of the issue. Keep your vehicle healthy, drive safely, and thanks for tuning in.